Wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and if you're brand new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm here with my brother Landon.
Hi.
And my sister Audree.
Hi.
We're going to be doing try to fix the best slime challenge. So how this challenge works is we have our own supplies and we try to fix our slime that sucks in here, and then why are you dabbing? So ugly. And then we're gonna, at the end of the video, we're gonna see who has the best slime. So let's get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have the better slime personally, guys. You guys are gonna lose, and you guys because you guys suck.
I'm gonna start with glue.
I'm gonna start with my glue too.
I'm gonna put oven.
Guys, I have a better advantage. I have a lot of glue.
I can tell. I'm gonna put
Okay, that's a little bit of that. That's a lot. Maybe I should just take some out. Okay, I'm just gonna.
And then I'm just gonna mix it.
We forgot our utensils.
Okay. I don't care, to be honest.
I care. I added a bunch of glue.
Now we're gonna do the blue paint.
I like getting
You're right,
dirty, but this slime is like so hard.
I don't think this is working.
Like, it looks stretchy, but it's not. And there's a lot of glue in this bowl, and it's all over my hands. This is really not cool.
Add some of this. Now
Landon,
I think I'm just gonna add this whole thing.
Landon, what color do you think Landon's is gonna be?
I think it's gonna be purple.
I think it's gonna be purple, but he's adding orange. So.
Oh my gosh, I added it and it looks like it's pouring out. Look.
Ew.
But it's not.
I think there's glue in my Band-Aid. Also, I think I added too much glue. That's okay, we'll add some activator.
I think me too. Because I got a small piece, so.
Okay, I'm done. I need a spoon.
Boy, you get no spoon, you better move your hands.
Where's my spoon?
My Band-Aid is in the slime. My Band-Aid is in
And then I
the
get
slime.
to wash the paint off. Can I get to wash the paint off?
Yeah.
My Band-Aid is coming in this time. I think my slime is
My slime is not working.
Haha.
Mine is, oh, it's starting to get stretchy.
No, hers is starting to get stretchy. Guys, let's all take a second to pray. And make sure. I think Landon's gonna become pretty brown.
What is this?
Mine is turning out good, guys. Look at this.
Me too.
Whoa.
I hope you lose.
And I hope you.
I hope you add something wrong that changes your slime into a terrible color.
Whoa.
Mine is turning out good. Look at this. Wow. It was a hard slime to a beautiful slime.
You know, I'm just gonna
stop looking over here.
all this glue.
Stop.
It's mine.
There's still a bunch more glue in the bowl.
I redid. Whatever.
This looks like it's to go.
Look how stretchy it is now.
Wait, this looks like it's
if I add
orange.
glue, it looks like it's coming out.
Whoa!
Mine is good.
Hey!
Mine just melted. And mine's melted.
Okay.
Mine just glue.
Hey!
Audree,
Yours
mine is good. Let me want
Mine is starting to get stretchier and
Pass me the
stretchier.
contact
Look at
solution.
this. Nice, so look at it.
Can put some.
Okay, so-
Can put water on mine.
I have this.
Can someone put water on my mine?
We're putting water on his.
Can I have some?
Okay, now.
Go get your own water. Get your
Girl, you share? And I don't.
Wait, I'm adding contact solution, which we should have got baking soda, because what if this doesn't end up as
I need some.
Wait! Mine is not coming together anymore. Guys, mine has too
I
much
don't have
glue.
any clear glue, and that's the only one that was working.
Clear glue?
Wait, this makes it stretchy.
The paper!
Hopefully yours melts.
The paper! The paper!
Yours already did.
What happened to the paper?
Leave me alone.
The paper. Oh!
You're by yourself.
The
Gosh.
paper. The paper.
Man,
The paper.
there's gonna be, I don't want orange. Stop.
Landon tried to sell. It's working.
No, it's working.
Yay, it's working.
Hey!
It's working.
Wait, mine's actually pretty good.
Okay, is
Good
it
thing I
fair
had
if we get baking soda? Because
No, it's not good anymore.
Mine is not gonna come together. I just added so much.
Landon's going all out.
Mine is coming up.
Adds trash in it.
Audrina, it's coming up. It's complete. It's complete. It's coming together. I will do it.
I'm mixing the slime right now.
There's a lot of baking
Here,
soda.
mine is gonna melt like license.
Landon, you're so. Yeah, Landon. I thought Landon won, but then I think he lost.
Out of nowhere, it just went like.
It went to amazing, such a winner, and then to
Piece of
that's
trash.
that's garbage. Look at this.
Look at this.
Wow, Audrina, mine's coming to. Where'd you at? I absolutely hate fluffy slime. It's not fun.
I love fluffy slime because when you squeeze it.
I added too much baking soda. You know what? I give up.
Goodbye. No.
Mine sucks.
I'm gonna lose. Landon's gonna win.
Landon!
I was about to say Landon's gonna win, but okay.
My hands are pink now.
win.
My hands are pink.
My hands are yellow.
And the one.
It's not even stretchy.
This yellow's really pretty.
Somebody sabotage them. I cannot lose.
Mine's gonna win.
Mine's gonna win. Mine's gonna
Landon.
Landon just keeps changing the colors.
Mine is so like wet.
It's blue. Blue's coming.
So now Landon gets
Blue
a
is
blue.
coming.
That's what's gonna
Blue
happen.
Because my hands are dirty.
is happening. Here comes blue. Here comes blue now. Here comes blue now. I'm gonna be the winner. Hey, I'm not doing
Cringe.
that
Somebody cringe.
much.
Where do you learn this stuff from?
No.
I think I won.
No, I
It's a clear winner right here. Look at that.
No, I win. Mine's just the blue, and blue is good.
Think I can fix this slime. Ish.
Mine is coming along great.
I hope you trip over your own slime. It's a great slime. Look at that. I think I won. My slime is great. Look at that. Guys, if I'm being honest with you, I think this slime is worse than what it was before. So that's the end of the video. I think it's clear who won. I think I won. Yes. Look at that. I think I won. Landon, you agree I won?
No.
No. You're just jealous. Look at this.
No, I think
Look,
I
it's pink
won.
and it's
I won.
stretchy.
No,
Look, it
I
came-
win.
Guys, look
It
at
came
mine.
through. No, you suck.
Look at mine.
No, I won.
I thought mine was
So this is how.
Look at this.
No, restart that. Restart that.
blue.
Think this is how ours came out. This is how mine came out. Landon, show yours to the camera.
No.
Yours the ugliest color I've ever seen.
Mine's is silver. Mine's is
Yours is not silver. Yours is caca green.
no.
So this is it. Comment down below
No,
what you guys think.
I'm the
Who won.
winner.
Oh,
I'm the winner.